Today, I'll walk you through how to log into multiple Zoho accounts on desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage multiple accounts seamlessly so you can enhance your productivity. To get started, the first step is to search for the Zoho Desktop application. You can do this by simply entering Download Zoho Desktop into your preferred search engine. This will lead you to the official Zoho page where you can find the application. Once you're on the Zoho website, look for the option to download the Zoho Mail Desktop app for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click on the appropriate link based on your operating system. This is crucial as it ensures compatibility with your device. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to specifically click on Download for Mac. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process remains the same across platforms. Next, choose the version that best suits your needs. This might depend on your operating system or specific requirements for your work. Once you've made your selection, the file will begin downloading automatically, just like waiting for a package to arrive. It's a quick process. After the download completes, locate the file and double-click it to initiate the installation. Follow the prompts that appear on your screen to complete the installation process. Once installed, simply close the installer. It's as easy as shutting the door behind you after entering a room. Now open the desktop app and sign in with your first account. Enter your email address, followed by your password, and click Sign In. You will then be redirected to a screen asking for your preferred email address. If you choose to use your own domain, you might see a different view. However, if you opt for the second option, you'll be prompted to create a personal address for Zoho. After entering your details, click Create, and you'll be redirected to your Zoho inbox. Now, if you want to add multiple accounts, simply navigate to the menu bar and look for the Accounts section. Click on it and then select Add Account. The process is the same as signing into your first account. Just enter your email and password again. And there you have it. You can now manage multiple Zoho accounts from your desktop with ease. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.